percentage. So here we have a definition. It is a fraction with denominator as 100, right? So we are telling that percentage means we are rating any number in terms of 100. I gave you the example of water bottle, right? We have a water bottle. See here it is filled till 3 by 4th. 3 by 4th. So you can convert any fraction to percentage. That is your rating in between 0 to 100. Any quantity is given, you are explaining it in terms of per 100. So that is by the name percent. So here we have a bottle. So what we are doing here? It is filled till 3 by 4. I have told you already. 3 by 4 means if you need to multiply any fraction to percentage, you have to multiply it with 100. So 3 by 4 into 100 will give you 75%. So this bottle consists of 75% of water, right? So in this way we can explain percentage where fraction is a denominator as 100. Generally if any percentage is given, for example we have here 75%. 75% can be written in terms as a fraction as 75 by 100. And what are its applications? Generally we use this percentage in finding the comparing the profit or loss. What is the amount of profit we have got? Generally we say the profit is, say for example, you have 20 rupees pen. You sell it to your friend for 25 rupees. Your profit is 5 rupees. But what is your profit in terms of percentage? 5%. It is not 5%. It is not 5%. So it's not 95. You have to calculate it. Generally you have a pen of 20 rupees. You sell it to your friend for 25 rupees. Profit is 5 rupees. So what is your profit percentage? We have a formula for that. It's not 50. We have a formula for that. We'll look at it later. So generally we use in comparing profit or loss in terms of percentage. You have a chapter in profit or loss. We'll look at it. Then there is we generally speak discount. When you go to the cloth shop, they say that we give you 10% discount. If you go to a bookshop, they'll tell you we'll give you 10%, 5%, 20% discount on the price of the book, right? Similarly, commission is similar to that, where a person takes the certain amount in it, right? That is also spoken in terms of percentage, right? Suppose if you want to go to a new house for a rent, so I'll go to a broker. He'll say that I'll take 20% commission or 10% commission upon the whatever the rate you are going to pay for it, right? For the rent. So that is, that's what I said you, right? There will be a broker who will give you a good new house if you want to shift. So he'll take some money. That is left to the people who are going to deal with the broker, right? So next I told you, generally we calculate in terms of per 100. We have to rate the percentage in terms of per 100. Then I told you we can convert it into the fraction. If 75% is given, it is nothing but 75 by 100. Percentage is nothing but denominator will be 100 for any given number. Okay, listen. Write 0.075 as percentage. To convert this number into percentage, if they ask any question to convert it into percentage, we have to multiply it by 100. So here 0.075 into 100. So here instead of doing all these things, we will take the number 75 ones are 75. We have 2 zeros here, so we'll put 2 zeros. Okay. So after decimal we have 3 digits. After decimal we have 3 digits, so the decimal point will come here. So what will you get? 7.500, but we have already told that This zeros doesn't have any values until you get any number other than 0. So the answer is 7.5%. Okay, 7.5%. Next question. Write 80% as a fraction. 80 by 100, right? So whenever it is given as write 80% as a fraction, we have told that when percentage is given, if we need to convert it into fraction, we have to just put 100 in denominator, right? So here it is 80 by 100, but still we can simplify this. We can simplify this. How? This 0 will cancel. So what is this? 8 by 10. Again you can see this both the numbers is divisible by 2. So this is 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. So this is 4 by 5. Next, third question, write down. The value of 25 minus 25% of 25 is, okay, the value of 25 minus 25% of 25. Now listen here, in the percentage, whenever you get this word 25% of 25, here of means multiplication. Of means multiplication, okay? So what you have to do here, 25 minus 25% means 25 by 100 into 25. Okay? Yes. So what we can do, we can directly divide this. 25 ones are 25, 4s are 100. Okay? 25 ones are 25, 4s are 100. You can divide it with the smaller numbers also. Okay? Next, 25 minus 25 by 4. What you have to do? It is already told to you how to solve this. Can you solve this? How will you do this? 25 minus 25 by 4. Fractions. Yes. Find the LCM. LCM is 4, right? So if you convert this number, it will become 100 minus 25 by 4. So this is 75 by 4. You have to divide this and convert it into decimal. Divide this and convert it into decimal. So 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. Remainder is 3. 7 minus 4 is 3. So this number will become 35. So which number? 7. So this is 35. 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. So this number will become 35. Now you have to do this. 4 8s are 32. 4 8s are 32. Now if you put a point, what happens? The number will become 30. 35 minus 32 is 3. If you put a decimal point, it becomes 30. Okay? Next, 4 7s are 28. 30 minus 28 is 2. So now you have to put a 0. It becomes 20. So 4 5s are 20. So what is the answer? 18.75. 18.75. This is your answer. Okay? Next question. What is percent of 50 kilometer is 10 kilometer? So I told you, suppose you are at A and you have to go to B. The distance is 50 kilometer. Distance is 50 kilometer. Okay? Now you are at C. The distance between this is 10 kilometer. Okay? Now you have to go to B. Now you have reached C. Say for example you stopped there. What is the amount of distance you have covered in terms of percentage. Okay, so what you can do, so you have to write the total distance you have to cover in denominator. Total distance we have to cover is 50 kilometer, so you have to write it in denominator. What is the distance you have covered? 10 kilometer, that is in numerator. So to convert this number into percentage, multiply by 100. Okay, we'll do this. 10 ones are 10 fives are 10 ones are 10 fives are 5 ones are 5 5 ones are 5 5 twos are 10. You have 1 0 left, so you have to take as it is. 25 is a 100, right? You can do it in any method. So the remaining is 20. So your answer is 20%. What percent of 2 kg is 200 gram? Do this. Okay. What percent of 2 kg is 200 gram? 2 kg is equal to 2 kilogram is equal to 2000 grams. Okay. So out of 2000 grams, you are taking 200 grams. So what is its percentage? So you have to write the total amount in the denominator, that is 2000 in the denominator. How much amount are you taking? 200. 200 in the numerator. You have to multiply it by 100 to convert it into percentage. Okay. So this 2 zeros will get cancelled with this 2 0. 1 0 with this 1 0. 2 ones are 2 ones are. So remaining is only 10. So the answer is 10%. Okay. Listen here. 68% of 320 rupees. Whenever you have off, you need to multiply. If it is 68%, convert it into fractions. So 68% will be 68 by 100 into 320 rupees. 1 0 1 0 cancelled. 2 5s are 10. So how many times for 32? 2 16s are 32, or 16 2s are 32. Okay. So now what happens? You can multiply 68 into 16 and you can divide it by 5, or if I divide any number by 5, I'll get it in decimals and then you have to multiply that. Okay. So let me try by this way. I'll take 5. 5 ones are 5. Okay. 5 3s are 15. Remainder is 1. If I put a decimal point, I get 10. 5 2s are 10. So I have to multiply 68 into 3.2. So what will be the answer if I multiply this? What will be the answer? 68 into 3.2. So I'll get this answer as 21760 or 2176, right? So here you have only one digit after decimal. So your answer will be 217.6. Okay. You have to multiply it. I'll show you. Or 68 into 3.2. 8 2s are 16. 1 carry. Then 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. Next, 8 3s are. What is 8 3s are? 24. 2 carry. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 2 is 20. So 6, 4 plus 3 is 7. 1, 2. We have one digit after decimal. So this is 217.6. In a competitive exam, Amit scored, or let's say it as Amit answered 80% of the 80% of the questions. If there are 30 questions, how many questions did he answer? Okay, so in a competitive exam, Amit wrote competitive exam. In that he has solved 80% of the questions. He has attempted and he got correct answers. So he has solved only 80% of the questions. Total number of questions were 30. So how many questions did he answer? We have to find this. So it is very simple. What is that? It is 80% of 30. Out of 30 questions, he has attempted only 80%. So it is 80% of 30. So if it is 80% of 30, half means into 80% means 80 by 100. So this is 80 by 100 into 30. 1 0, here 1 0. Here 1 0, here 1 0. So remaining is 8 into 3. What is 8 3s are? 24. So he has answered 24 questions.